What's up, everybody? I just started up the free retake of my $50,000 FTMO challenge. So far, things are going all right. Now, the reason I had to do the retake in the first place is a little embarrassing. I had gotten up to $54,444, which is less than $600 away from the target profit, and completely fumbled the bag. And I ended up getting all the way back down to just a $450 profit when it was all said and done. But this has happened before. The anticipation of finishing the challenge or verification or whatever the case will cause me to get nervous and start trading really terribly. So just like everything else in trading, you simply have to work on the problem and come up with a solution. I have a very impulsive, high-strung type of personality, so I had a little bit more work to do than some other people. And this is my third year of trading. It'll be 4 years in September. This is the year where I feel most comfortable. I'm making way less mistakes. My patience level is acceptable. I generally turn a profit each week as long as I manage my risk properly. It has definitely been a tough journey, but this is all ending up to be a fantastic career choice for me. So anyways, I ended up taking 3 trades for last night's session. The good old EGBP coming through with the easy moves once again. I had a $480 profit for the day. So let's go ahead and take a look at those trades. So the start of the session is on the 15th. So that was, let's see. So right over here on the dollar index. So you can see that is this area. Basically, I was banking on the dollar going up, even though it was kind of a stretch. I did think it would go up a little bit more, and it did for a little bit. So I took my first trade on the AU. So the very first one that I took actually failed, and then this one I did have to move the stop. Now I did say that I wouldn't move stops. I had to change it just a little bit. I'll move the stops up to 3%, and I'll talk about that a little bit more later. And I did end up taking profit early here. I had it at like, I'm not sure, 6 reward or something like that. I ended up taking profit like right in here somewhere. So that did end up being a win. It did take me 2 trades to get it though. But yeah, profit either way. And then the other trade that I took was on the EGBP, and this was just a really easy move, just a bounce off of a very heavy level. So really easy move. I actually could have gotten even more out of it. So I got 3. I could have went 4 or 5. I could have actually went 5 there, 5%. But yeah, I'm okay with 3. 3 is always good, and as long as you can get that, you'll definitely end up making a profit over time. I've decided to not move stops anymore, at least past 3%. I always say scalping on the 5-minute chart, you do at times need to give the price some room to breathe, and in order to get the 2% or 3% target profit, sometimes you need a tighter stop. So this creates the dilemma that causes me to have to, on occasion, move the stop loss. Now, of course, I could just not take the trade if I can't get a tight enough stop, but every once in a while, like last night's session on that AUD USD, the move is just so easy and telegraphed that I will be missing out on easy money quite a bit if I just skip the trades. So I'm still deliberating on it, but for now I'll cap the stops at 3% if I do need to move them, and this will prevent any disasters like on my first day of the challenge where I moved my stop to, I believe, 10%. Definitely don't do that. I definitely don't recommend it. A more reasonable way would be capping it at 3%. So we'll start there. So be sure to hit the like button if you're enjoying the channel. I took a break from making these recap videos for a couple of days. I did it for a couple of weeks straight, and it just finally got me. But I'm back on track now, so you can expect these every weekday as usual. Also, my live streams are back on schedule as well, so I will see you later on tonight for tonight's live stream. Remember to always trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys later.